Meticulously maintained home with signature golf course view situated in the country club of Lakewood Ranch. Upon entering, enjoy the open floor plan with 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, den/office with full bath, 2-car garage, custom built-ins, new flooring, and new paint throughout. The kitchen offers solid wood cabinets, new appliances, new lighting, granite island, and a breakfast nook that overlooks the golf course. The great room offers sliders to the beautiful outdoor lanai with tile floors, heated pool and spa, and outdoor lighting. The owner's suite overlooks the golf course with 2 closets, 1 walk-in, dual sinks, soaking tub, walk-in shower, and new lighting. Other notable features include pool bath, whole house water filtration system, reverse osmosis, maintenance-free neighborhood with community pool, and mature landscaping in the country club.